Hello everyone, my name is Georgia Mse and I'm an Impact Advisor at Gcx. I'm excited to share something important that's set to shape the future of businesses in Malawi. The Malawi Stock Exchange has made a powerful move. By updating its listing requirements, it now requires all listed companies to publish its sustainability reports. But what does this really mean? And more importantly, how do you do this in a way that adds value to your business? Well, that's where we come in. The Malawi Stock Exchange has partnered with Gcx to provide you with a practical sustainability training series. It's designed specifically for listed companies, as well as other companies looking to improve its sustainability performance. And it aims to do this by helping companies understand and apply two key sustainability reporting tools, namely a double materiality assessment and the GRI Reporting Standards. This training will be facilitated by Gcx Head of Impact Kati Lewis, who has extensive experience in helping companies and guiding them in implementing such frameworks in a practical, real-world way. We know the landscape is changing. Investors, customers, and communities are increasingly looking to businesses to see how they manage their risks, create value, and ultimately contribute to a more sustainable future. This training will equip you with the tools and knowledge to do just that. So join us this May for 2 half-day workshops where we will demystify sustainability reporting and help you on the path to compliance and beyond. Whether you're a CFO, CEO, company secretary, or project manager, this training is for you. So let's build a future where Malawian businesses do not only survive, but sustainably thrive. Seats are limited, so we recommend that you register now, and we look forward to seeing you there.